What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to review for you guys the Hohem iSteady gimbal that I have right here. So I'm going to unbox this right now and show you guys my first impression of this gimbal. So I'm going to just open the package and I'm not going to waste any time, just go into it and show you guys what's inside this package. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what's outside the package. So as you look at the front, you can see the gimbal inside with the Hohem mark on it right there. So it's iSteady X 3-axis palm gimbal. So this gimbal comes with 3 axes. So on the back right here it says ultralight, which is 259 grams. So this means that it can hold 259 grams. Right here is foldable design, 3 axes as I mentioned earlier, moment, mode, quick roll switch, so you can switch from horizontal mode to portrait mode, face tracking feature. So these are the features that it have inside the package or inside the box. You have the iSteady X, you have the mini tripod, you have the pouch, you have the power cable, wrist strap, and a quick startup guide. So that's it right here. So you can scan these apps to install whether on your iPhone or on your Android phone. So let us see what's inside. Yes guys, so I'm going to open the package right now. So I'm going to pull off this plastic right here. Right, so this is the iSteady X gimbal. So let me pull it to see what's inside. Right, so this is guys, this is what's inside. So at first, we look at this first, which is a gimbal right here. So it feels a little bit of weight, not really heavy as some of those gimbal. So this is what inside right here. Also we have the stand. This is stand right here, and we have the USB cable. This is the Type-C USB cable, and we have our little guide, startup guide right here. Right, so and right here we have our strap and the gimbal. And the next thing guys that is inside this right here is the pouch. So this is like a pouch right here that is inside it, like a drawstrings pouch that you can put your gimbal in, and it also have the Hohem written on it. And inside right here we also have the little booklet and something Hohem X, and also this little card right here. Yes guys, so let us look at the gimbal itself now. So on this gimbal right here, on the side you can see the charging port right here with a little hole right here that's supposed to fire some light. And on the front right here there is a joystick, there is a battery indicator, and there is a Bluetooth signal. And here, right here, there is a camera button that you can take picture or camera. This is the rotate button. So on the bottom there's a slot right here to put the stand right here. This is for the strap. So let me pull it now guys, like that. So it's unfolding right now, as you guys can see the gimbal. So this right here, it means that, so this right here can extend to put your phone in. And this is the 3 axes. This is one of axes right here. This is one of axes that go up right here. And let me see this one right over here. Yes, so right on here you can see a lock where you can lock the axes. And also on this side right here guys, there's a button, that a zoom button on here, so you can zoom in and zoom out right over here. So that's basically all the features on this so far. So let me test it to see what and how this can operate. Yes guys, so basically I'm gonna collaborate my iPhone right here and the Hohem iSteady X Gimbal. So let me put this inside right here. So when you put it inside, you have to make sure that it's centered, so it's collaborate. So let me balance it. So I put it a little more over to the side. Yes guys, so I have balanced my phone and the iSteady X, so you realize that the phone is now balanced because it now gone back to centered. Right guys, so I'm in the App Store right now, so I'm gonna search for the Hohem app. Hohem. So Hohem Pro. I'm downloading this right now. Alright guys, so I'm opening up the Hohem iSteady app right now. I'm turning on the gimbal right now. Alright, so the gimbal is on. So let me start. I'm searching for Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on this device right here. This is the Bluetooth right here, ISX. So I'm going to connect it right now. Let me pair this device. So right there, allow access. Next. Alright guys, so if you already have an account, you can log in, but if it's your first time user, you can tap right here to register for your Hohem account. So you enter your email address, your password, and register. Yes guys, so now I've entered my email address. Let me activate. So it's basically activating right now. Yes guys, so now the Hohem iSteady X has been now activated. As you realize that I'm moving the gimbal, you realize that the phone is not moving, right? So it's now activated. Let me click on Home right here. Alright guys, so basically I have access to the camera right here. So joystick up, down. So I can move from side to side with it. The joystick right there. And this is a tilt mode, so I'm putting horizontal mode switch with this button right here. So one press, go to portrait mode from horizontal mode. One press again, and I go back to landscape mode. And see guys, as you can see, gimbal is very steady, as there's no shaking right now when I'm using it. Yes guys, and I hope that you like this video, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I will do a more tutorial on this as I go along and learn about the features. So make sure that you stay tuned and subscribe to this channel so you can get more video on this product right here. As always, thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Peace out.